Welcome to the bicarbonate radical test experiment. In this experiment, we will take several steps to confirm that the acidic radical of the salt is bicarbonate. For this experiment, we will be using sodium bicarbonate. By the end of this experiment, you will be able to recognize bicarbonate salts in both powder form and solution, apply essential safety measures during laboratory work, differentiate between carbonate and bicarbonate radicals, understand various tests used to identify the anion present in a given salt, comprehend the chemical reactions and balance the equations involved in each test, acquire the skills necessary to perform the experiment in a real lab after mastering the procedure. Let's begin the experiment. You can track your progress using the progress bar at the top of the page. Step 1. First, we will test the solubility of the salt in water. 1. Place a small amount of the salt in a test tube using a spatula. 2. Add 1 to 2 milliliters of water and shake the test tube well. Observation: the salt color is white, and it is soluble in water. Step 2. Next, we will test the reaction of the salt with dilute hydrochloric acid. 1. Prepare 2 milliliters of lime water in a test tube. 2. In another test tube, place a small amount of the salt using a spatula. 3. Add drops of dilute hydrochloric acid. 4. Pass the carbon dioxide gas evolved into the lime water. Observation: effervescence occurs and carbon dioxide gas is released. The lime water turns turbid. Conclusion: carbonate or bicarbonate radicals may be present. Step 3. Now we will add mercuric chloride to the salt. 1. Place a small amount of the salt in a test tube using a spatula. 2. Add 1 to 2 milliliters of water and shake well. 3. Add drops of mercuric chloride reagent and heat the tube over a Bunsen flame. Observation: a reddish-brown precipitate forms after heating. Conclusion: a reddish-brown precipitate of mercuric carbonate is formed. Step 4. Finally, we will test the reaction with magnesium sulfate, which should produce a white precipitate upon heating. 1. Place a small amount of the salt in a test tube using a spatula. 2. Add 1 to 2 milliliters of water and shake well. 3. Add drops of magnesium sulfate reagent and heat the tube over a Bunsen flame. Observation: a white precipitate forms after heating. Conclusion: a white precipitate of magnesium carbonate is formed. Final result: the acidic radical of the salt is confirmed to be bicarbonate. Congratulations! The experiment has been completed.